Activity tracking is one of the most common reasons people swap the analog watch for something smarter. Smartwatches allow you to keep tabs on your basic fitness without a ton of extra effort.
In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you want to know about
ACHOICE ID207 Mini, which is solid and affordable entry-level option that might help you to reach your fitness goals. I'll test its heart rate and blood saturation accuracy, pedometer accuracy. I also show you through the main features of the ID207 Mini, so stay with me.
Hi, what's up guys? My name is Adam and you're watching Family Pop TV YouTube channel.
In the box we could find the watch itself, the USB charging cable and the manuals. The ID207 Mini has a classic rectangle design that looks elegant. The body of the watch is slim and light and is made of plastic material, which makes it ultra lightweight and therefore comfortable on the wrist. The ID207 Mini has a wrist strap made from soft silicone, which is ideal for long-lasting use. For the comparison, the Mini is significantly smaller than ID207, however, it shares the same features. If we flip the watch, you can see the PPG sensors in the center, a magnetic charging port to fuel up the smartwatch. At the side of the watch there's one multifunction crown button, which is a little reminiscence of Apple Watch. However, it hasn't got the rotary functionality, it functions as a press button. The screen of the ID207 Mini is a 1.5-inch TFT LCD display with 200 by 240 pixels resolution and 2mm thin bezel. To clarify, this isn't an always-on screen, however, it will lit up when you move your wrist up. The brightness of the display is obviously adjustable. It has 5 steps and it does pretty good outdoors in the direct sunlight. You can customize the watch faces or change built-in watch faces for new styles. Simply press and hold the screen for about 2 seconds and flip through preloaded dials. I'll show you how to load more dials and create your own wallpapers later in this video when I will discuss the companion app. The smartwatch has an ATM5 water-resistant design, which means that it's resistant up to 15 meters in depth for 10 minutes. From definition, the ID207 is suitable for low velocity and shallow water activities, including swimming. Technically, you can wear this watch while swimming, and the watch has 2 dedicated sports modes to track the swimming activities. The ID207 Mini uses the VeryFit companion app that you install on your phone, which is where you set and control most of the functionality of the watch. The VeryFit app itself is a simple tool for tracking and storing sport activities and health stats. You'll have to scan the QR code with your phone to get to the Apple Store or Google Play, as this is supported on both iOS and Android. The QR can be found in manuals and on the display of the watch during the initial power-up. During the setup, make sure you got Bluetooth turned on in your phone, but do not connect the watch from the Bluetooth screen. You have to do it directly from the app. Once you're in the app, just add the device, confirm the pairing request and don't forget to confirm the allowed notifications, as this will push the data from your phone to the watch. The ID207 has some degree of customization. You can pick and download a selection of available watch faces through the companion app. It takes a while, but here you go. You can also create your own customized watch face using any photo or image from your phone as a background. Scale it, crop it and press install, and it's being sent to the watch. The ID207 Mini offers the assortment of 14 sports monitoring modes, which includes outdoor and indoor run, outdoor and indoor walk, hiking, outdoor cycling, cricket, yoga, indoor cycling, workout, pole swim, open water swim, rower and elliptical. The watch doesn't have a built-in GPS, but for sports modes like walking, running or biking, it can utilize your phone's GPS. Simply start walking or running exercise from the companion app and this will track the route of the workout accurately. So with that being said, let's look at the accuracy of the pedometer in ID207 Mini. My wife been testing her ID207 against a manual tally counter. she did exactly 1000 steps, manually clicking the tally counter for each step. And the ID207 Mini captured 991 steps, which given us 99.1% of step accuracy ratio, and that's not bad considering it's a budget watch. To maximize the overall accuracy of the tracking algorithm, it's essential to enter the accurate objective information in the personal profile, such as exact weight, height and age. The main menu in ID207 Mini combines little icons and widgets. When you press the button, you get access to daily stats screen, steps distance and calories burned, all on one screen. One of the widgets is the heart rate tracking. The ID207 Mini tracks the heart rate continuously 24 hours a day, but let's check out how accurate the heart rate and the SpO2 measurements actually are. My wife compared the heart rate readings on the ID207 Mini against the medical pulse finger clamped oximeter. Here we got 68 beats per minute at the watch and 69 beats per minute at the oximeter. This is absolutely fine. Let's check the blood saturation levels, or as it's called, SpO2 tracking. The ID207 Mini shows a little more than the oximeter. We got 100% on the watch and 98 at the oximeter. The watch also measures the stress levels. Let's take a little look.
And before we carry on, make sure you're subscribed.
The stress level feature allows the user to determine the current level of stress based on their heart rate variability. When using this feature, the watch uses heart rate data to determine the interval between each heartbeat. And here's the result, 45, which is indicated as normal. The ID207 Mini has a bunch of useful features such as stopwatch, countdown timer, 1 or 2 minutes breathing exercise, which is nothing more than respiratory minute volume, which helps to calm down and help reduce the carbon dioxide levels within the body. The watch will also show you the incoming calls. However, you can't make a phone call from the ID207 Mini, as the watch hasn't got a microphone built in. You can only drop the incoming call. This feature will only work when the watch is being connected with the phone. The other features which requires a constant Bluetooth connection with the phone, the weather, the music app control, find phone feature and message notifications. The watch will show you any text message, social app message and various app notifications as long as it's connected with the phone, so you won't miss any important news. The watch has also got a sleep tracking. I wasn't able to scientifically test the accuracy of the sleep tracking, but my wife has been wearing her ID207 Mini to the bed for a few nights and it seems to be fine. It records the sleep time and wake up time as well as detects light sleep and deep sleep. It tends to ignore the daily naps and struggles recording the sleep if staying up till late, but sleeps between 9 PM and 7 AM being tracked just fine. The watch has a long-lasting 300 mAh lithium polymer battery. In the testing, the 2 hours of charging gives around 2 weeks of usage. For clarification, this is without 24/7 monitoring of the heart rate. With this feature turned on the watch, the battery will give you around 8 to 10 days on a single charge. And please note, the 24/7 heart rate monitoring feature drains the battery much faster, so does the Bluetooth connection. So if you would like to minimize the power consumption, disabling these two features will make the watch running easily over 20 days on a single charge. Honestly, after using this ID207 Mini over a month, my wife and myself concluded that it doesn't have much of the downside, rather I would call certain cons. But when you compare these cons with the price, you will realize that this smartwatch already serves you way more than enough. I agree there are plenty of great and expensive smartwatches, but if your budget is a little tight and you would want the best of the best smartwatch, then you should check out the ID207 Mini.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that video and found it pretty informative and useful. If you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss when the next video comes out. Thanks everyone, that was Adam and you watched Family Pop TV.